Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. You'll never believe what I'm sitting in. We have a third Lexus GX550 video coming, and this is very similar to the last video. As a matter of fact, it was sold based on the last video. The only difference in this video and that one is the wheel design, but hey, I like this little SUV. It's nice. Everybody seems to love it. They look really cool when they're lifted, so I'm excited to do another video. This is a 2025 GX550 Luxury Plus trim package is what it is. We're doing the 2.5-inch Westcott Designs lift kit again. This is I think the third or fourth time we've done the lift kit on it, on one of these. This will be my third, full install video. I think I got one that I missed somewhere along the lines. But anyways, this one's getting the 24-inch Vossen HF6-4s. It's an awesome wheel. It's a gloss black wheel. It's going to look great. We're doing the 295 45-24 Nittos Recon Grappler, which is a metric tire that's about 35 inches tall. This is going to require a little bit of trimming, but it's going to look great when it's done. Luckily, most of the trimming's on the inner part of the fender, not on the outer body, so it's kind of easy to hide it, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm about to get out and show you what this thing looks like on the outside. I believe it's the same color as the last one we did. It's like a silver gray color, but it looks awesome. And I have to say, the interior of this thing is very, very nice. There's a full sunroof in it. Toyota and Lexus have a model that looks very similar, but I really think the Lexus on this one is the way to go. I like both, but I think the Lexus look better. The headlights look better to me. So let me know what you think. I'm going to show it to you, and appreciate you watching the channel. All right, so here it is. Like I said, 2025 Lexus GX550 in the Luxury Plus trim. Getting ready to do that 2.5-inch lift in 35s and 24s. I think it's going to look awesome again. Obviously, I know it's going to look awesome. I've done it before. The wheel we chose last time was a multi-spoke. This one is like a 6-spoke, split-spoke wheel. It's going to look great. I really don't know what offset this 22-inch wheel is from the factory here, but it's pretty high offset. Toyota's known for that. Lexus, they put really high offset wheels on it, so as soon as you put just a little bit of offset on it, it gives it a stance, which is great. This one's gonna have a good stance to it. Stay tuned for the video. About to get it started. Well, we got our GX550 ready to go. It is 12:09 p.m. We started this at 8 o'clock, and the customer's in the office, hopeful and ready to get back home. He expected to be here till 6. I shot him 3 o'clock, hopefully earlier when he got here to bring me the vehicle, and we're gonna get him out of here a little bit before 12:30 today. It looks like, and I couldn't be happier with it. The GX550 is a very special SUV to me because it is kind of in a class of its own, right? You have Tahoes, you have Yukons, you have 4Runners, you have Escalades, you have all that. And this is somewhat similar, I guess, to a 4Runner, but it's different. It's nicer. It's there's less of them on the road. They look cooler. They give you that wow effect when you see them. Whenever they're new and they don't have anything done to them, they give you that wow effect. But whenever you see them with 24-inch Vossens and 35-inch Nittos, it's a different appearance. It's a different effect completely when you see it. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I feel like we have transformed this vehicle 100%. It is different. It looks great. Looks amazing. Will turn heads everywhere you go. Let me know what you think in the comments about this one. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. Thank you. So this thing is awesome. Could you imagine pulling up to like a restaurant in this? It looks presidential to me. I love it. Almost kind of I don't know, like that Batman vibe or something like that. Really cool headlights on this with the LEDs. I love the shape of this. It has a really, really cool shape. I like the window, how it pops up in the back right here. The body line's amazing. It gives you a effect I can't describe how it looks, but the wheels and tires tuck nicely on this 35-inch Nitto Recon Grappler. This is an amazing all-terrain tire with a 55,000-mile warranty. Super smooth, super quiet. Anywhere you put it, it does good. This is a very, very strong, sturdy tire. It's probably, I don't know, 3 times stronger than what it has to have on what this vehicle has to have. But hey, it does really good and it rides smooth doing it. Tire looks good. The wheel's a 24-inch Vossen HF6-4. The gloss black finish looks phenomenal on this. I told you earlier in the video there'd be a little stance to it. This is the stance I'm talking about. Pokes out just a little bit past the fender. It's not too much, just enough. We did the Westcott Designs 2.5-inch lift kit. There's nothing to show you really in here. It's kind of tucked right there, but it's basically a suspension collar lift and a spacer at the top. Same thing in the rear, coil spring spacer. Thing's beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments about this one. Like I said, if you have any questions, call me. I appreciate you guys watching me every week. This is it's a fun experience recording all the work we do, and everybody watches it from home and calls me about it. Makes it exciting. So there's gonna be a quote right after this video clip for you to see how much this would cost, and I appreciate you watching.